Hi all, my name is Muhammad Hairul bin Abu Karim. Welcome to KM16 Restaurant, Selayang Community College. This video learning objectives is to define the concepts, characteristics, and differentiate the à la carte and table dining services.
À la carte dining involves individual dishes served on separate covers, allowing diners to order and pay for each dish.
And for the table dot, the cutlery and flatware for the entire meal are laid out before the first course is served.
Surplus tableware is removed after the customer has placed their order. This setting is designed to create a professional and organized dining experience. Table dot is a fixed menu at a set price, all courses pre-arranged, more extensive tableware from the start, including appetizer, soup, main course, and dessert. Let's start studying how to set up an à la carte cover on the guest table.
À la carte, meaning according to the card, in French, refers to a dining style where guests select individual dishes from a menu rather than a fixed set meal. This style emphasizes customization, elegance, and precision, allowing guests to tailor their dining experience while requiring careful attention from service staff to maintain proper table presentation and hygiene.
Let's start with the introduction of cutleries, chinaware, and glassware in à la carte setting.
The equipment starts by dinner plate, then followed by the table or dinner knife, the table or dinner fork, then followed by the side plate, also including the napkin on the tray. And last one is the water goblet for warm or cold water. Okay, now we gonna start set up the à la carte table setting with the dinner plate. Then we put the dinner or table knife on the right side of the plate, followed by put the dinner fork 1 inch from the left side of the dinner plate, followed and then put the side plate 1 inch from the table fork, followed by put the water goblet on top of the dinner knife. Last one, put the napkin on top of the dinner plate and symmetry all the utensils on the table.
This is the final look for individual à la carte table setting at the fine dining restaurant.
For the summary, à la carte table setting is dynamic and guest-focused, requiring staff to adapt the table layout as orders are placed.
Proper placement of napkins, cutlery, glassware, along with attention to presentation, ensures a refined dining experience.
Now we move on to the next elegant setup. We call it the table dot setup for the fine dining restaurant.
A table dot menu typically features a set number of courses at a fixed price, often including an appetizer, main course, dessert, and beverage. This style emphasizes a communal dining experience, where guests enjoy a pre-arranged selection of dishes designed to complement each other. Let's start to assemble the equipment for table dot, starting with the coffee spoon, followed by the appetizer knife. This is soup spoon. And then the dinner or table knife. Next is the dinner or table fork, followed by the appetizer fork. The small fork is called dessert fork, followed by this small spoon called the dessert spoon. And this small knife is called BB knife or butter knife. This big plate we called a dinner plate, followed by this small plate we called it BB or bread and butter plate. This is napkin for the use of our guest. The only glasses in this setting we called it water goblet. Last but not least, this is the set of coffee cup and saucer. Let's start setting the individual table dot setting with dinner plate set in the middle of the table. Follow with the cutleries, followed by the dinner knife on the right side of the dinner plate, and the soup spoon placing 1 inch right side on the dinner knife. Next we place the appetizer knife for the appetizer dish. The last place cutleries on the right side is coffee spoon. For the left side of the dinner plate, set the dinner fork 1 inch from the plate, followed by appetizer fork for the appetizer dish. And last one is BB knife. On top of the plate put the dessert fork, and dessert spoon 1 inch on the top of dessert fork. For chinaware, start put the coffee cup and saucer on the end right side of the table top with coffee spoon. On the end left side put the BB knife on top of BB plate and put again on the guest table. Put the water goblet 1 inch on top of the dinner knife and napkin on top of the dinner plate.
This is the final look for individual table setting in the fine dining restaurant. In summary, a perfect table dot setting is complete, balanced, and beautifully arranged. Every utensil has its place for each course, creating a clean, elegant table that enhances the entire dining experience.
That's all from us. I'm Dr. Muhammad Hairul Abu Karim, and my team Madam Suzianti Suleiman from Selayang Community College wish you all the best and thank you.